Okay, for this how-to, you have the option to listen to the story of Jack and the Beanstalk right here, and then you can hear some of the events. The how-to is called Describe Major Events by Telling What Happened. So events are things that happen in the story. And you don't want to tell every single event, just the important events. Like in the story Jack and the Beanstalk. Jack quickly chopped down the beanstalk. Why it's important? It is important because it made it so the giant could not get Jack. So this is an important major event that happened in the story. It's something that you'd want to put in your retelling if you were retelling the story. So if you want to listen to the story so you know a little bit more about it, go ahead and scan this QR code right here. So describe major events by telling what happened and make sure it's something important that happened.